My lovely Gemini, thank you all so much for joining me here, Gemini. So let us see what is coming up for your general energies, Geminis, and then we will be moving on towards your love energies, Gemini. So, yes, guys, what is coming up for your general energies, Gemini? Okay, so both the card means that someone wants to come towards you, they want to come and surprise you, or someone is really planning for a trip with you. So that can also be a surprise. They're planning a surprise visit, or they're planning some kind of like a trip with you. That is also a surprise. This person has booked tickets. So start packing, my lovely Gemini. So they have something wonderful with you. They want to kind of like manifest something wonderful with you. They're really like willing to manifest whatever it is to have this happy new beginning with you, to have that wonderful start with you. And this person, I can see that they're putting in the effort that they have to put in to manifest something beautiful with you, because they know that if they don't put in the effort, if they don't manifest things accordingly, then it would just make them feel sad. It would just give them that blank energy, and therefore they are willing to do whatever they have to. They're manifesting whatever they have to. They're going with the flow. They're doing what they're supposed to. And yes, guys, this person does really love you for who you are, what you are. They do really care for you completely. They do have a lot of feelings for you and this relationship they having with you. They do have a lot of love for you guys, and you just need to understand how much this person cares for you, that they're thinking about you too much, that they're appearing in your general energies for this love energies, guys. We lose track of time when we're together. This person really loves you because they don't get bored when they're with you. They always feel like you keep them occupied. I miss you even when you're in the next room. So this person misses you even when you're a little bit away from them. They cannot imagine you being far away from them. You can listen to me talk forever. So this person just likes to talk to you. They can just spend time just talking to you, just talking to you all day. They don't feel bored, or they don't feel sad, or they don't have any kind of like negative feelings when it comes to you. It's all about manifesting what they want, and they are planning for a trip to go with you. They're planning for a surprise trip. So start packing, guys. Gemini, get your manicure pedicure done, and it's going to be a very long trip with this person. It can be like a life trip, so make sure to get ready for it. And yes, that is all I can see here, Gemini. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye, guys. See you all, Gemini. Bye, guys.